In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove collaborators from Asana projects. If you've ever had someone leave a team, finish their part of a project, or simply no longer need access to a specific workspace, it's important to know how to remove them properly. This helps you keep your projects organized, your information secure, and your team list clean and up to date. First, go ahead and log into your Asana account and open your main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar with different sections, including your list of projects. Take a moment to scan through that list and find the project where you want to remove a collaborator. When you see it, click on the project name to open it. This will bring you into the main project view, where you can see tasks, sections, and all the activity related to that project. Once the project is open, shift your attention to the top right corner of the screen. In most layouts, you'll see a row of small circular icons showing the faces or initials of people who are part of that project. Depending on your version of Asana, you might instead see a share button in this area. Go ahead and click either the group of avatars or the share button. This will open a pop-up window that controls who has access to the project. In this pop-up, look for a section usually labeled Who has access or something similar. This is where Asana lists every collaborator on the project, including members and guests. Scroll through this list carefully until you find the collaborator you want to remove. When you've located the right person, look over to the right side of their name. You'll see a small drop-down button or menu icon next to their role or access level. Click on that drop-down and a short menu will appear with a few options. From that menu, select Remove from Project. As soon as you click this option, Asana will immediately remove that person's access to the project. They will no longer see the project in their list, and they won't receive updates or notifications about it. If you need to clean up multiple collaborators, simply repeat these same steps for each person. And remember, you can always invite them back later if they need access again. That's all there is to it. Open the project, access the sharing settings, find the right person, and remove them from the project.